Hey there, today we're going to review the top 5 best mechanical keyboards for you. All items are available on AliExpress with the best ratings and lots of satisfied buyers. We considered reviews, orders, price, durability, quality, and overall value. This list brings you only the best of the best. Product links are in the description, don't forget to check them out. Number 5. YUNZII B68 Mechanical Keyboard. The YUNZII B68 is a versatile tri-mode mechanical keyboard perfect for both work and play. With a 65% layout, 66 keys plus a knob, and hot swappable switches, customization is easy. It features south-facing RGB backlighting and durable double-shot PBT keycaps for a premium typing feel. The 5000 mAh battery provides long-lasting wireless usage through Bluetooth, 2.4G, or wired Type-C connection. Its gasket-mounted structure ensures a soft and satisfying keystroke. Available in pink, black, and beige, it combines aesthetics with functionality. Number 4. Akko MonsGeek Fun 60 Mechanical Keyboard. The Akko MonsGeek Fun 60 is built for gaming enthusiasts who need speed and precision. With a 60% layout, magnetic or mechanical switches, and ultra-fast 0.01mm trigger response, every keystroke counts. It features RGB lighting and a high polling rate for seamless performance. The keyboard supports custom actuation, keys remapping, and dynamic keystrokes. Durable ABS or aluminum cases ensure stability during intense gameplay. Its pre-lubed plate-mounted stabilizers make typing smoother and quieter. Number 3. YUNZII AL68 Mechanical Keyboard. The YUNZII AL68 is an aluminum-bodied keyboard designed for gamers and creatives alike. Its 65% layout with 66 keys plus a knob allows compact yet functional use. Hot swappable switches and gasket-mounted construction give a satisfying typing experience. South-facing RGB backlighting and log LED provide vivid illumination. A 6000 mAh battery ensures long wireless sessions via Type-C, Bluetooth, or 2.4G connection. Premium double-shot PBT keycaps complete this high-end mechanical feel. Number 2. Ziyoulang K8 Mechanical Keyboard. The Ziyoulang K8 offers a full 100-key layout with hot swappable switches and a gasket muffler structure for silent typing. Tri-mode connectivity lets you switch between wired, Bluetooth, or 2.4G wireless mode seamlessly. It features 18 dynamic lighting effects for gaming or office setups. Ergonomically designed, it reduces hand fatigue during long sessions. The keyboard supports multi-system compatibility and two-color injection molding for durability. Its versatile design makes it perfect for desktops, laptops, and tablets alike. Number 1. MageGee TS91 Mechanical Keyboard. The MageGee TS91 is an ultra-compact 61-key keyboard with an ergonomic layout perfect for gaming or office use. RGB backlighting lets you customize colors and breathing effects for low-light environments. Its IPX4 waterproof circuit board adds protection against spills. The membrane keys provide a mechanical-like typing experience quietly. Compact 60% layout saves space while maintaining essential functionality. Compatible with Windows systems, it's plug-and-play ready for home, office, or travel use.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest product reviews and recommendations. See you in the next video.